Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the game Marvel Token Fighting Souls. You are getting the error. The PlayStation PC SDK runtime cannot start because it is missing from your computer. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, right click on the game and go to its properties. From the left pane, click on Install Files and choose the option Verify Integrity of the game files. It will take a minute or two, and once the integrity is verified, try to launch the game to fix out the issue. If this fails to work out, again right click on the game, select Manage and click on the option Browse Local Files. Now open MTFS folder and then open Binaries, Win64 and Prerequisite folder. Right over here you will find a folder with the name PSP Runtime. Open it and here you will find the option of Install PSPC SDK Runtime. Double click on install_PSPC. Now once it is installed, as it is saying that it is installation successful. So press any key to continue. Now go ahead, close the folder and hit the play option, and the issue of PC SDK runtime cannot start because it is missing from your computer will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.